Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of LED lighting with a spotlight on the best F8T5WW LED replacement bulbs available in the market. Get ready to brighten up your space with these incredible LED bulbs from Bluex Bulbs. Introducing the Bluex Bulbs 4-pack T5 12-inch LED F8T5WW LED replacement bulbs. These bulbs are designed to revolutionize your lighting experience, offering superior brightness, energy efficiency, and longevity compared to traditional fluorescent bulbs. Let's talk about what makes these bulbs stand out from the crowd. First off, they deliver a warm white light with a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin, providing a cozy and inviting atmosphere in any room. With a brightness of 530 lumens, you'll enjoy ample illumination for your tasks and activities. But that's not all. These LED bulbs are not only energy efficient but also long-lasting, with an average lifespan of 25,000 hours. That means you can enjoy years of reliable performance without worrying about frequent replacements. One of the best things about these Bluex bulbs is their ease of installation. Simply replace your old fluorescent bulbs with these LED replacements, and you're good to go. Plus, they're compatible with most standard fixtures, making the transition to LED lighting a breeze. Another noteworthy feature is their safe and eco-friendly design. Unlike fluorescent bulbs, these LED lights contain no mercury or hazardous gases, making them a responsible choice for both your home and the environment. So, if you're ready to upgrade your lighting setup with the best F8T5WW LED replacement bulbs on the market, look no further than Bluex Bulbs. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on a pack of these incredible LED bulbs today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.